Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to delete your story that you have posted on TikTok? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete a story from your TikTok account. The process of deleting your story from your TikTok is not a difficult task. So the first thing we're going to do is open our TikTok app. Once you have opened your TikTok app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you can see various options. On the below, you can see your option profile that is located on the very corner. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, you'll be on your profile page. If you scroll down, then here, as you can see, I have already posted my story. Now, in order to delete this story, I will have to simply tap on this story. Once I have tapped on this story, here I will be able to see various options. There are about 3 options on the right hand side corner, that is a like button, a comment button and a 3 dots. Here you'll have to tap on the 3 dots option. Once you have tapped on the 3 dots option, there are 3 rows. On the very last row, there are about 3 options, that is to save the video, settings and delete. Here you'll have to simply tap on the option delete. And here you'll be asked if you want to delete your story. Simply tap on the option delete. And just like that, here as you can see, your story has been deleted. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.